When we think about essential vitamins, names like vitamin C or vitamin D often spring to mind. However, there is another crucial nutrient working diligently behind the scenes: vitamin K. It might not be the most famous vitamin, but its contribution to our health is significant. Vitamin K plays a vital part in several critical bodily processes. Without adequate amounts, our bodies would struggle in ways we might not immediately connect to a nutrient deficiency. It helps our blood to clot properly, which is essential for healing. It also plays a key role in keeping our bones strong and healthy. Emerging research suggests it is important for maintaining a healthy heart. Understanding the benefits of vitamin K can empower us to make better dietary choices. Think of vitamin K as a dedicated worker inside your system. It tirelessly performs its duties without much fanfare or public recognition. By understanding its functions, sources, and the signs of deficiency, we can take proactive steps. We can ensure our bodies receive the support they need from this unsung champion. This knowledge helps us build a stronger foundation for a healthier life. So what exactly is vitamin K? It is a fat-soluble vitamin. This means it dissolves in fats and oils and can be stored in fatty tissues and the liver. There are two most important forms for humans: vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. Vitamin K1, or phylloquinone, is found in dark green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli. The main job of vitamin K1 is related to blood clotting. Then there is vitamin K2, a group of substances called menaquinones. Menaquinones can be produced by gut bacteria and are found in certain animal products and fermented foods. Natto, a traditional Japanese dish, is an exceptionally rich source of K2. Other sources include cheese, egg yolks, butter, and liver. Vitamin K2 plays a significant role in bone health and heart health. Including sources of both K1 and K2 in your diet is a good strategy. This ensures you are getting the full spectrum of benefits that vitamin K has to offer. From helping your blood clot to keeping your bones strong and your arteries clear, vitamin K is essential for optimal health. One of the most well-known functions of vitamin K is its role in blood clotting. It helps to activate several proteins, known as clotting factors. These proteins work together to form a blood clot, sealing the damaged blood vessel. Without enough vitamin K, these clotting factors cannot do their job properly. But vitamin K's job does not stop at blood clotting. It is also incredibly important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. It helps to activate a protein called osteocalcin, which binds calcium to the bone matrix. Without enough vitamin K, osteocalcin remains inactive, potentially leading to weaker bones. Beyond bones, vitamin K2 is gaining attention for its role in heart health. It appears to help protect our arteries from calcification. By keeping arteries flexible and clear, vitamin K2 contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system. Researchers are continually exploring other potential benefits of vitamin K. Some studies suggest it might play a role in brain health and may have anti-inflammatory properties. Ensuring adequate vitamin K intake supports a range of critical processes that keep our bodies working optimally. Recognizing deficiency risks, signs, and symptoms. While severe vitamin K deficiency is not very common, certain groups are at a higher risk. Newborn infants are particularly vulnerable, which is why they receive a vitamin K injection shortly after birth. Other individuals at increased risk include those with conditions that affect fat absorption. Conditions like celiac disease, cystic fibrosis, and liver disease can impair fat absorption. Long-term use of certain medications can also interfere with vitamin K status. The most common signs of vitamin K deficiency are related to its role in blood clotting. If you are deficient, you might notice that you bruise very easily or experience prolonged bleeding from cuts. It is important to recognize these signs and consult a healthcare professional if you suspect a deficiency. Early detection and appropriate management can prevent more serious complications associated with vitamin K deficiency. Nourishing your body. The best dietary sources of vitamin K. For vitamin K1, green leafy vegetables are the champions. Kale, spinach, collard greens, and broccoli are excellent sources. Including a variety of these green vegetables in your daily meals is a fantastic way to boost your K1 intake. When it comes to vitamin K2, fermented foods are notable. Natto, a Japanese food made from fermented soybeans, is exceptionally high in K2. Other fermented foods, like certain types of cheese and sauerkraut, can also contain some K2. Animal products provide K2 as well, particularly the MK4 form. Good sources include egg yolks, butter, and organ meats like liver. Incorporating these foods into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. You can add spinach or kale to your morning smoothie or omelet. A large salad with mixed greens for lunch is a great option. Steamed broccoli or Brussels sprouts make a healthy side dish for dinner. By regularly including a mix of K1-rich plant foods and K2-containing animal or fermented foods, you can effectively support your body's vitamin K needs. Vitamin K and medication, a delicate balance for health. One of the most critical interactions involving vitamin K is with anticoagulant medications, like warfarin. Warfarin works by interfering with the action of vitamin K in the liver. Because warfarin directly opposes the action of vitamin K, changes in vitamin K intake can significantly affect how well the medication works. Maintaining a consistent intake of vitamin K is crucial for people taking warfarin. It is a common misconception that people on warfarin need to avoid vitamin K altogether. The goal is not avoidance, but consistency. Patients taking warfarin should aim to eat roughly the same amount of vitamin K-rich foods each day. Managing vitamin K intake while on blood thinners requires careful communication with healthcare providers. By maintaining a steady, balanced intake of vitamin K, individuals can safely manage their condition and continue to benefit from this essential nutrient.